I'm back. A little bit of the stuff has been moved. Like I said, I put the 30th anniversary right on the wall like I said I was. I do a little change around over here, but still looking good per usual. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to put together the PS5 Pro. I have to put my disc on and I have to put in my storage, an additional terabyte that I'm putting in here. So let's go about that. Let's see. So what I'm doing here now is I'm laying it flat and I'm going to add just a little bit of pressure like you said, and a little bit of pressure over here until it pops. Now I got this side, I feel it loose, and then I got this side. There we go. I feel it loose. So now, if y'all haven't noticed, I'm installing my disk drive. So I put that on. Oops. I think I put these on first to line it up properly. Then I slap that on. There we go. So I can then take this off. I no longer need it. And I put the fat one on. And as simply as I took it off, as simply as it should go on, right? Well, let's see. Let's do the back first, then the front. Is that how that works? I think so. Yeah, there we go. So, just installed the disk drive. Simple enough. You can see. There we go. Now, I need to install the SSD. Now, they said again, it's just the two tops. You just add a little pressure, come right off. Now, oh, that's really cool. It's grayed out too. If you didn't notice, the plate is usually not grayed out like that. They grayed it out. They were going above and beyond, y'all. They so nice. That's so nice. All right, let me see if I can get this off with this. If I can't, I'm gonna have to go get another screwdriver, which I don't want to do. Come on. Oh, Jesus. I go get another one. Be right back. Should be good now. Bought this off of, I don't even know where I got it from. I think I got it from Timo. Which I don't condone you shopping at Timo, to be honest, but sometimes got some stuff. See if this one will fit. Oh, it fit. Feeling good.
Boy, if you don't get...
All right. Let's get the plate off. And as you know, these are pretty simple. I know you've seen multiple videos of these by now. But you got to get the spacer out and put it in the right spot. Oops. Okay, not the right size. Surprised this is bigger than the one that you... It's a little ridiculous, don't you think, Sony? Oh no, it's another one of those machine screwed ones. If you aren't aware, these actually strip. And it's pretty embarrassing that it's still the case. I really hope they change the screw out. But I had such a problem getting, because I sold my old PS5 to kind of fund this purchase or whatever. And when I was trying to sell it, I was trying to get the freaking screw off. I literally had to go buy pliers because I stripped it. And I was just trying to get my freaking SSD out. It was so frustrating. Anyway, the spacer with the screw goes in here. Spacer goes down. I don't think I need to show you guys that part, but it's basically what holds it in place so it doesn't be shaking all over the place. So put that in, make sure it's clamped tight, and you screw it down. You don't gotta screw it too tight. Just make sure it ain't going nowhere, and you're good. Now my NVMe is in, and I can put the screw back on for the main one, which hopefully this still will work. If not, I'll have to go switch the thing again. Oh, it works for this one too, so maybe that other screw just wasn't the right one. And then we can put our panel back on, which is great. And I'm assuming we go from the back side to the front. Okay. It's not clicking in place. Let's see. I think you're still off, buddy. There we go. All right. So now I have my hard drive in. I have the disk drive in. Now it's time to put the stand on it. That's how I'll be doing it. And with this, it comes with like a little, and this is probably the better shot. I don't know why I haven't been using this shot, but this basically has like a little thing here that's covering up the screw hole. You take that off, and then at that point, you now should have the stand plus the screw. You sit that on there like so, just like so, like that. So I'm just tightening with my hand, so I'm not really doing the most pressure, but yeah, I guess it's gonna be like that, which is fine. But that's the stand there. We're gonna go nowhere anyway. Do it with your fancy cable management. Put a sticker on it. I should put that more right here and say a PlayStation, but I ain't gonna do that. I already got one right on over here, guys. Got one right here. So this goes into storage. But yeah, that's how you put it together. I'm now finna switch to another camera and show y'all the boot up. All right. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir, ski. Good to be able to plug that in. Had this little cool PlayStation 1 experience. Let us hope. I hope. Oh no, it's still rebuilding the database, so I'm assuming that it's okay. Okay. Ooh. Let me see. I thought we could get something special. But I don't think we got nothing special. And then I went to storage. I went to the MMD storage. Yeah, I got a couple games on here, so I think we good, folks. Yeah, they still here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They got the. Oh, you can pick. Oh, that's. See, they need to have that in every last one of them. And I'm in high frame rate mode. So they favor quality, and then they got. And then they have. Okay. Solid, solid. It did look clear. I ain't gonna lie to you. It looked clear. This is sheesh. Sheesh. I mean, these games always look good, but sheesh.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, ski, no problem. I forget how to play this game anyway. I wouldn't want to see no combat. For real, for real. Okay. Select my new visuals, please. Yes, please. Balance Pro, Favor Resolution Pro, Favor Performance Pro. Yeah, that's probably the one I was going to use. I'm a feeding him, boy. Man, they know how to make a game, don't they? This game look marvelous. Little play field you playing in. Oh, I didn't set everybody off. Let me get my man. Come on, man. Come on. Let's go. Let's get up out of here. How do you? Did I forget how to go? Jeez. What I will say about Sony is they still provide an experience. I don't know how to better say it, but when I play a PlayStation game, I feel like I'm literally playing like the best of the best. Like I can't get any better. I don't feel that way when I play Xbox. I don't like I'm getting the controller experience, I'm getting the HDR experience, I'm getting the visual experience, I'm getting the gameplay. It's all coming together when I feel like that's always a trade off when it comes to Xbox. But like I said, I like competition. I don't want neither one of them to go away. So I feel like the first thing we're gonna ever get that's gonna be like that for me is probably gonna be Fable, and I'm looking forward to it. So, but yeah, it's PS5, PS5 Pro. Let me know what y'all think. Peace.